Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Alex and I do tech videos. Today in this video we will take a look at my new keyboard, which is the Logitech K380. It's a small, compact and light keyboard, Bluetooth, that I've been using for almost 2 months now. This keyboard was a gift from my girlfriend, but the prices are around 40 US dollars, and you can get it for cheaper because it goes on sale often. So let's see what's in the box. So this is the packaging that comes in. This is the back side, some information about it. This is the front side. This is how the keyboard looks. Let's open it up. I'm still using this knife. I should get a better knife for unboxing. Maybe in the next video. I'm trying to open it to peel it up. Oh, I just got it. Two cuts and it's supposed to get out. And there it is. Brand new. I like that it's protected with the film, protective film around it. And this is how it looks. Let's take it out. Let's see what's in the box. Some paperwork, warranty information or something. Oh, it's in Chinese, I think. And another something else. Nothing inside. Let's pack the box, put it on the side. Let's take it out of the protective film. And this is it. This is a quick setup guide. Gives you instructions on how to set it up. As you can see right here, about the buttons, how to activate the battery by pulling out the yellow tape from behind, right here. It's quite hefty. I thought it will be lighter. I'm trying out how does it type, trying out the feeling. Sounds good. This is the keyboard. Now back to the video. What I really like about this keyboard is the size and how light it is. It's very small and light. You can put it in your backpack and take it everywhere you want to go. And also, if you're a minimalist, you will enjoy it for your desk setup. Just keep in mind that this keyboard uses only Bluetooth, so if your PC or your laptop does not have Bluetooth, you cannot use it. You have to buy a separate dongle for it. It comes in 3 colors. I got the black one because it fits my desk setup the best, but also you can get it in pink and also in white. It works great for me. You can connect this to up to 3 devices. I've got it paired with my M1 Mac Mini, which I reviewed right here, and also my old Windows laptop, and the third option is free for me, but I can also connect it to my phone or a tablet, and you can type essays on them, so you can pretty much connect it to everything. Because the keyboard is so small, I was pretty surprised that I got used to it for just about an hour of programming. because my previous keyboard was big and it had big buttons and it was clicky, and this one is the opposite of that, and I was surprised that I got used to it very fast. This keyboard reminds me of a laptop keyboard, which is also nice, and when you type on it, it's very quiet. It has an app that you can connect to customize the 4 shortcuts that are next to the pairing buttons. I've got mine set up for taking a screenshot, opening the Launchpad, full screen mode, and opening QuickTime for screen recording. You have options to make it to brighten your display or dim your display, open an application, open a file. Pretty much whatever you want, you can set it up. It does not have rechargeable battery. It comes with 2 AA batteries that are included in the box, and Logitech says that you can get up to 2 years of use with just 2 batteries. But because this keyboard is not backlit, I think you can get 2 years of use with just 2 batteries. To sum up, if you're a person that moves around a lot and you want to take your keyboard with you, I would recommend this keyboard. And also, if you're a person that connects to multiple devices at the same time, that you want to use one keyboard for them, like your laptop, or if you have a gaming PC or a tablet, you can use this keyboard because, as I said earlier, it connects to 3 devices at the same time. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!